Hi, I'm Lawrence Lee, and I'm talking today with respect to leadership and how I'm progressing in council and my opinions on that. First and foremost, I think that this being a newer council is one that does need to have some sort of consultation process within the community. That said, I've been in many positions of leadership throughout my career. As past school board chair, there was lots of opportunity for us to use innovative thinking and use processes that took the school jurisdiction to a different level. I think that same logic can be applied to cities. And what I find very interesting is that people tend to focus on leadership when it suits them best. And I say that because there are issues in the community that hold certain levels of importance. One being, for example, a new aquatic center or a 50 meter or 53 meter swimming pool. Those sorts of things, bike lanes, but there's a whole host of other issues that we have to deal with. Youth homelessness, we have to deal with environmental sustainability, things that are going to drive Red Deer to the next level and for the next generation. So when leading those type of initiatives, we have to remember that it isn't always a consultation process, because it's a vast vault of world experience, putting all the different sectors of the community into place, recognizing that each voice is directed at a certain level or to a certain issue. So I think, in all fairness, leadership is really listening. And sure, listening takes a whole host of different forms, which don't necessarily mean the formal consultation where I have a town hall or an open house, but just day-to-day engagement. I think you could walk around Red Deer and you could see if the leaves were falling off the trees. Do we need the street cleaners to clean up that process? I wouldn't go to public consultation for an item like that. But when you're talking about having an impact to the tax base of maybe $200 to $300 on their annual tax bill, well, absolutely, it's a responsibility of an elected official to ensure that not everybody's happy, but the majority of the voices have been heard and that fit into the strategic plan that makes Red Deer best for the next generation.